Now to the latest in a series of restrictions against international students. The State Department has ordered embassies to stop interviewing many foreign students that are planning to come to the United States. This effectively pauses those student visas from being processed and issued. Well, officials are saying that the move is part of a push to expand social media screenings for these applicants. And according to a diplomatic cable reviewed by ABC News, previously scheduled interviews can proceed as scheduled, but there's new appointments that shouldn't be planned until further guidance is issued. And that is expected in the coming days. So with more now is Jennifer Behm. She's a partner at Berardi Immigration Law. Jennifer, thank you for being here with us. And we know that what we're hearing right now is at least part of this broader effort from the White House to what they say vet immigrant social media accounts. They're claiming it's really a matter of national security, though. Do you see or anticipate any legal pushback here?
Yes, definitely. So we're now witnessing this significant shift in U.S. immigration policy toward international students. And in the last 2 months alone, we've seen thousands of F-1 visas revoked, often with zero notice or justifiable reason. We've seen universities like Harvard facing unprecedented security, and they are having threats of their ability to bring over international students. And then this cable with the Department of State yesterday telling consulates to pause new visa appointments for international students. And so there's a lot of uncertainty for students and institutions alike, and that raises concerns about due process and the future of international education in the U.S.
What are you telling to your clients, maybe these students that are already in the United States? Is there anything that can be done to protect their status if they want to?
If an international student is currently in the U.S., we're telling them that they may want to stay put and not leave, because if you do leave, there's no guarantee for re-entry into the United States. There's a lot of uncertainty right now about what visa appointment processing times are going to look like, what social media screening is going to look like. So there's a lot of uncertainty right now.
What about the potential of a visa renewal for some of these students that might need it?
No one has an automatic right to a visa or to re-enter the U.S. So even then, nobody is certain that they will be admitted back into the U.S. with a valid visa. There's a lot of questions that we have, and we're holding our breath to see what that cable, the cable references a lot of security screening on social media, but there's a lot of questions and holes in what that actually means.
Do you think it stops here for the Trump administration?
No, of course not. I think this is a very deliberate message against universities. International students are a very public group, and I think that the administration is hitting universities where it counts, their bank account. International students bring a lot of money to both institutions and our economy overall. And so I think that we're seeing the Trump administration go after a bit of a very public group. And I'm not going to be surprised when we see universities fight back and really hold their ground to support these students being able to have predictability when it comes to staying and entering the U.S. for their studies.
All right, Jennifer Behm, thank you for your time today. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having me, Kana.
Of course.